Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to effectively search for items in Vinted. To do it, you can simply use the search bar at the top and enter something relevant, like for example, white t-shirt, and that will be about it. Don't enter too many details, but I think the best method is to actually go to search. If you know what you're looking for, simply go to search, then select the category here. I'll select men, then I'll select clothing, and now let's select the tops and t-shirts, and you can select any of those, or I'll select all actually. Now we'll see filters here as well if you want, like for example the color and stuff like that. And I think that's the most relevant because you never know what title the seller has made. And if I select white, then I should see mostly white items. Sometimes of course there are some mistakes because sellers may select it differently. You can also select the size. I'll select XS. And there are also things like brand, condition, pattern, price, stuff like that. And you can also sort it by, for example, price. I'll select it price low to high, and we'll see that cheapest t-shirt. And yeah, you can see them right here. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.